Top 5 fastest bird in the world. Peregrine falcon. The fastest bird in level flight, reaching speeds of up to 240 miles per hour, 386 kilometers per hour, when diving to catch prey. Golden eagle. Known for their incredible soaring abilities, they can reach speeds of up to 150 miles per hour, 240 kilometers per hour, when in pursuit of prey. White-throated needletail. Capable of reaching speeds of up to 105 miles per hour, 169 kilometers per hour in level flight. Eurasian hobby. A small falcon that can reach speeds of up to 100 miles per hour, 160 kilometers per hour. Gray-headed albatross. While not as fast as the others in level flight, they are highly efficient gliders and can cover long distances with speeds of up to 79 miles per hour, 127 kilometers per hour.